Hello everyone, this is Ankita Rani, and in this video I will continue with the explanation of different types of letter. So I will the next kind of business letter is credit letter. So I have already told you in my last video that in credit letter three cases may arise, that is for the requesting credit, granting credit and refusing credit. And I have also told you the meaning of credit. What is the meaning of credit? So firstly, the first case arise when you ask for credit. So in this actually it is among three that this would be the I am guessing that this is the most important, but you never know any type of letter you can get for examination. So once you will get the understand the concept, so you can write the other types of two. So whenever you will join a business and you will write a credit letter, so for requesting, so what you need to do is you need to tell. So let me actually read it out what is written in the explanation from my side. A letter containing a request for credit should give essential information about the business, place the order, and indicate the desired terms of credit, and asking for a continued arrangement of credit, and also supply credit reference. So whenever you write a credit letter which is for requesting credit, so in that letter you need to mention what type of business you are doing and all the essential information about the business. Then you need to place the order, what kind of products you want, and you also need to indicate about what is the policy you want to adopt for the credit. So everything you need to mention in a requesting credit. Okay, so then comes the case of a granting credit. So if you have written a credit letter, you have made a request, then a situation will come when the credit will be granted, right? They will accept your policy that okay, we are ready. So in that case, a letter granting credit is the acceptance letter, which is dispatched promptly after accepting the terms mentioned in the letter requesting credit are satisfactory. So yes, definitely if you have written for the requesting credit letter, so you will really look forward for the granting. So whenever your credit policy will be granted, then that will be counted as a granting credit letter. So you will get a response in response for the requesting credit. So okay, your credit has been accepted, and they will promptly dispatch you, right? And they agreed with your terms and policies. Okay, the next case may be arise like refusing credit, where in businesses where it won't be possible to provide you the credit, the products in a credit policy. So that would be a refusing credit, as the name suggests. So but in few cases it may not be possible to accept the request for credit, and in response to credit refusal letter is drafted stating the reason for not granting credit, and should also thank the applicant for a request with the possibility to make arrangements of credit in future. So in refusing credit, what happens, you will get a refusal of credit you will get a refusal that in this time we are not able to give you products on credit term for due to some reason. Maybe they can state that reason, but they will assure you, they will make you assure that in future they will try to make arrangement of credit. Okay, so in this case you can the three cases may arise in credit letter. So I think you have got something. So moving to the next category, letter of resignation. So definitely, as the name suggests, letter of resignation. So this is also a kind of a business letter. This will fall in the category of business letter. So whenever an employee leave a job, they need to write a resignation letter. So Actually, let me just read it out. When an employee plans to leave his job, a letter of resignation is usually sent to his immediate manager, giving him notice and letting him know when the last day of employment will be. In many cases, the employee also will detail his reason for leaving the company. Definitely, the basic reason of writing resignation letter is to tell the organization, let the organization know that whenever what will be your exact date of leaving the job. Okay, and you can also explain the give the reason for leaving the job and the things like this. So this will come under the category of resignation letter. So you may also come across many different types of business letters, but I think this would be sufficient for giving answer to this question, what is business correspondence, explain different types of business letter. And I think you have got something, and you have up till here you have got the idea what are different types of credit letter. So in my next video I will talk about some different aspect of these letter. So till then, bye, and thanks for watching my video.